Good morning students, welcome on YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. This is Kirti ma'am and this lecture for class 9 maths. So students, in this video I am going to explain you what is a linear pair of an angles. So see here, AOB is a straight line and this is an ray which are intersect on the straight line. So the two adjacent angles said to form a linear pair of angle if their non-common arms are two opposite rays. So see here, this is a straight line and this is the a non-common arms which can intersect on the straight lines and form two angles. So this is the number one angle and this is two angle. So angle 1 and angle 2 are called the linear pair of an angle. Now the axioms of the linear pair of angles is, if a ray stand on the line, then the sum of the adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. That's mean the sum of the two angles which are 180 degree. That's mean angle 1 and angle 2, the sum of angle 1 and angle 2 is 180. So, angle AOC plus angle BOC. Angle AOC, this angle, and angle BOC, this angle, the sum of two different angles is 180 because they are made on a straight line. So, we already know that the angle of the straight line is 180 degree. Then the corollary of the given axioms are, the sum of all angles formed on the same side of the line at the given point on the line is 180 degree. That means key number of all the angles which are formed on the straight lines, their sum will be 180 degree. So see here, some angles are like angles AOC, and this is angle COD, and this is angle DOE, and the fourth angle is EOB. All the sum of the given angle is already 180 degree. Now the second axiom says that the sum of two adjacent angle is 180, then the non-common arm of the straight line are in the straight line. That means if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, that means the line which are in straight line. So this is the two axioms and the corollary of the linear pair of an angles. Now the next topic is vertically opposite angle. The two angles are said to be vertically opposite angle if their arms form two pair of opposite rays. Means if the two lines intersect. See here, the line AOB and COD, they are going to intersect at the common point O. Then we call it a vertically opposite angle. They are formed vertically opposite angle. The theorem was based on the vertically opposite angles is, if two lines intersect, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So see here, angle, this is the two vertically opposite angle, and angle AOC, this angle and this angles are equal because they are intersect. Similarly, this angle and this angle are also equal because they all are the vertically opposite angle. So angle AOC is equals to BOD and AOD is equals to BOD. Now I am going to solve our questions from exercise 10.1. The question is, if the ratio between two complementary angles is 2:3, then find the angles. So I already explained you what is a complementary angle. The sum of two angles is 90 degree. We call it complementary angle. So we have to given a complementary angle in the ratio. Then we say that let the 2 complementary angle are 2x and 3x. Then we know that the sum of 2 complementary angle is 90 degree. Then using this axioms, and we have 2x plus 3x is equals to 90 degree, and 2x plus 3x is equals to 5x is equals to 90 degree, and the value of x is 90 upon 5. Then we have 1 8, so x is 18 degree. Then we have to find the two complementary angle by putting the value of x. So 2x is equals to 2 into 18 is 36, and 3x is equals to 3 into 18 is 54. So these are the two complementary angles. So you can see the solution. Thank you.